Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to save OBS recordings as MP4. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. By default, OBS Studio saves recordings in the MKV Matroska format. However, if you prefer to save your recordings as MP4 files, you can use the following steps. Step 1. Launch OBS Studio on your computer. Step 2. Go to File in the top left corner and choose Settings. Step 3. In the Settings window, go ahead and click on Output in the left sidebar. Step 4. If you are not already in the Advanced Output mode, switch to it by clicking on the Output mode, drop down at the top right, and selecting Advanced. Step 5. In the Output tab, click on the Recording tab. Step 6. In the Recording format, drop down, choose MP4. Step 7. Go ahead and click Apply, and then hit OK to save the changes. And that's how you save OBS recordings as MP4. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.